Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wait till you check out this one. It is a 2026 Keystone Sprinter, model number 3800 FLB. So let's get started. The length on this Keystone Sprinter is 43 feet. The dry weight is 12,775 with a hitch weight of 2,745 with GVWR of 16,000 pounds.
So guys, if you are looking for a lot of room and maybe a little surprise here and there, you're really going to like this one, so hang around till we get on the inside. But let's start on the outside of this one. Like you said, this is the Keystone Sprinter. It is a wide body edition. So right up front, you are going to have your Road Armor pin box. Here in the front is where your batteries are going to go. There is some storage. Your spare is going to be right down below. This is going to give you 4-point electric leveling. Really would have liked to have seen 6 on this one because it is 43 feet long.
Yeah.
But your leveling system is going to be right up there. The first of your propane tanks. Now this is going to probably be the downside on this one, is it does have a little bit small storage for a large fifth wheel.
Well, and I'm also going to say the door goes up this way.
It does go up.
And you're going to
that
have
way.
to sit here and hold it.
But
if you've got the slide out.
yeah. But I'm going to say for this one, you're going to be much more excited about the inside than the outside. You do have fresh tank right down there.
I think this is going to be your hookups, freshwater tank and everything.
Because it is locked. Coming on down, you've got a gray tank under here. Well, I don't see it. It's marked, but I don't see the handle.
I see the handle. It's right here.
Oh, there it is.
It's on the frame.
On the frame. Okay. And then you've got a dump area right back here. Now this is going to have cable-driven slides. We don't see the markings on them, so we think this is going to be AccuSlides. Don't hold us to that.
And your handles for your tank pulls are up on the frame. Yes.
Yes, they are. All right. Well, looking at the back of this one, it's going to be prepped for a Lippert ladder. It's also prepped for a backup camera. You are going to have a towing package down here. It's going to be up to 3,000 pounds. But we've said it before, if you choose to tow, just be careful. You're already at 43 feet. Keystone does not give us the awning lengths, so give us just a second. We'll give you a estimation.
13 foot.
All right, 13. And we're going to have to kind of guess at this one because we can't get right up to it.
19.
All right, so somewhere around 13 and 19 are what your two awnings are going to be, but they are power awnings with LED light strips. You do see that you are going to have a solar panel up there. So let's take a look at the other side of your storage and we'll go inside because that's where all the fun is.
Propane.
Yeah, quick connect right down there. Again, not just a ton of storage in this one. But hey, you can probably make it work.
Tankless water heater.
It is. I do love that they give you an option to bring a TV outside. So, second propane.
And I guess I didn't hear you. You did show the spare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's important. All right, we're going to go inside. It's been raining here this week, and so I kind of hate that our feet are going to be a little bit wet, so maybe we won't slip and slide too much.
And they usually have a little piece of carpet right in here, but they don't.
I don't think this one's been on the lot very long, so.
And also, before we get started, now, you went to Scotland. Now, you haven't told anybody.
I did. It was absolutely amazing. If it is not on your bucket list, it needs to be because it is a beautiful area.
Where are you going to start?
Well, hey, let's just start where you had your hand. So when you come in the door, That's where all your controls are going to be, right there, covered up. I love it. Your fuses are going to be right below. So
you do have
all
dimmer
of these,
controls.
Yeah, so you've got the LED strips in the ceiling, and they are going to be dimmable. Let's go up and take a look at this front den.
All right.
Because we have not seen one laid out quite like this. They give you a little bit of space right here so you can actually stand at that little counter. But then you have the big L shape, which a lot of people are doing, we know. But now this one is definitely different.
And a plus is I don't think you're going to have to disassemble this. This will just come right up against the wall.
I think when your slide comes in, it'll come right up there. Of course, it is going to cut off your access to the front, but that's okay. So let me just look at this couch. I mean, holy moly, this one is huge. So you've got 3 sections over here, 2 sections over here that are going to recline. Pretty sure that this side's going to make a sleeping area.
Well, let me see. Yes, there it is.
Yeah. Then you've got this freestanding ottoman.
Oh my gosh.
That you can use as a little coffee table if you need to.
Cool.
Heating is going to be in the floor in this. It is a Keystone product. And then when you have a seat over here on your giant couch, you are right in front of your...
Oh, yes. Take us a guess.
Oh, wow. I'm going to say 55.
It is a 50.
Oh, a 50. I was off. Yeah. Okay. Then you got all this great storage around it, though. I mean, just cabinets. So, I don't know if anybody else still travels with DVDs like we do because we're old, but you could store a whole bunch of them.
Wow.
Then you have a really nice big electric fireplace down here. Your radio controls are going to be right in the middle, and you even have some open areas, so if you take gaming, you've got plenty of space to put that and hook it up. Now, I know there's probably some people thinking, I really like this big couch, but my friends may not want to sleep on the couch, even though they're right under the air conditioner.
Yeah.
So, hold your popcorn. Here's the surprise in this one. You have bunks.
Yeah, and it's got all 3 doors.
All 3 doors slide independently. So.
And this one will.
And you've got hanging underneath that. You've got little storage cubbies at the front of each one. And at the foot, or head, or foot. It just kind of, guess it depends on which direction you want to sleep in, I suppose. All right, guys. So this is something we have not seen. So almost like hidden bunks in the nose of this fifth wheel. What do you think? I mean, is this ingenious or what? I think it is.
I think it's really cool.
I love it because it gives you extra sleeping space, and then it really doesn't take up any room anywhere.
Yeah.
So that's just really, really cool.
I just love these doors.
Okay, quit playing with the doors and let's go on down. All right, moving down here into the kitchen. You are actually going to have a really nice sized kitchen here. Again, you've got that open space there that if you stand behind the sofa, you can actually use that, I guess, to move food back and forth if you need to. Great little coffee bar area. Super nice pantry. They do give you power inside the pantry. So if you need
they do remove.
Yeah, shelves can be removed. Your AC controls are going to be right there. Then you are going to have a side-by-side fridge. And over here, some nice storage and a nice big microwave.
Yes, sucker's huge.
Now this is not going to have solid surface. This is going to kind of keep your weight and cost down just a little bit. So the Sprinter line does not give you solid surface, but oh my word, look at all these drawers. You got 3-burner cooktop with an oven. You do have power right next to your oven, so great place to put a little slow cooker, crock pot, air fryer. And
the outlets with the yellow tag here.
Yes, those
inverted.
Yeah. And then over here in this little corner.
I like this little corner.
I like that they did not waste this space. So it's not huge storage, but you could stash some oil, cooking oil, sprays, and stuff like that up in here, and it would be up out of your way. And then there's another plug-in, so that's amazing. This island, again, not solid surface, would love to have seen that, but it is cost efficient and weight. But it's going to give you a plug-in right there, one up there. As you can see, it's got some undermount lighting. You're going to have a nice big stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet, and then you've got 3 drawers right here, and then you've got some storage right there, and then you've got
this extension.
Yeah, this flip-up
Wow.
extension. One downside, I guess, you don't have a designated place to put a garbage can, but this is a really good sized kitchen, so I don't think you're going to have any problem finding somewhere to put that. Then your front slide with this nice massive window, it's going to give you a table that has no leg under it, which is great. 4 chairs. Right now they are, of course, in travel mode, so they're all strapped together out of the way. Pleated shades to keep the sun out.
USB, USB over here.
Yes. And let's see, let's take another look. There's another AC unit in here. Some really cool light pendants. But hold on. Because what is a great entertaining coach if you don't have an extra bath? So this is going to give you a half bath right here with a backlit mirror, really great sink, some good storage area, and a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yeah.
You know, I guess it's one of those things, if you don't use it a whole lot, you could actually stash your garbage can in there.
Yes, you could.
If you really, Okay. But we're not finished with this kitchen. Hold on, there's a little bit more. Got some really great hooks back here for jackets or leashes. And then you got some storage, but then this is another like coat closet here that you should be able to get a broom in. It should be tall enough for that. So moving on into the main bedroom. You are going to have a king size bed here in this slide. I actually like that they did not put a window at the headboard.
Yeah.
It keeps out too much light, but there are some lights up above it. And then you've got your 2 side windows, your light switch, your USB and C charging. You have another one of those inverter ready plug-ins down there. You do have your controls up here, so this control here means that you've got a 3rd AC in here. In just a month or so, you're going to need it. All right, underneath you got all this great storage. Again, there is going to be heating in the floor in this particular unit.
I don't know what you're talking about. We could have used that AC today.
Yeah, it's starting to warm up on us. Y'all, okay, this is June. This is like the 2nd week of June. The heat index here yesterday got to 100. Our heat index already, and it's June. We're going to die. But anyway, at the foot of the bed, you have these 2 wardrobes. They're going to be identical. So you've got hanging, and then you've got shelves at the bottom, and then you've got 6 really good sized drawers. Another space up here to put a TV, and it looks like you could easily get a 32-inch up there. So that is already in place and ready to go. And then let's get to the very back. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this rear bath. This is just, I don't know, this is
very impressive.
This is a really nice bath. Now Jeremy's 6 feet tall, you guys know that by now. Plenty of room. This is almost shack sized.
If I leave here tomorrow,
I would miss you.
Okay.
But anyway.
Perfect.
But yeah, not a very big step up getting into it. You've got your retractable door. I do like that the light actually extends into the shower. Even though you've got a skylight, guys, if any of you have this and you don't have a light in the shower like we do,
Yeah.
It's great during the day. But at night, if you're trying to take a shower,
It's pretty dark.
it's very dark. It really,
This
really
is a 30 by 40.
Ah, yeah.
Just to clarify that.
Super size.
Oh, look at all
Then
this.
look at this. I mean, so you have got this amazing whole wall of medicine cabinet up here. Dual sinks, great size sinks.
Good night. What are some drawers?
Excellent storage underneath. So I know some people don't like dual sinks, but this one gives you enough counter space. You got plenty of room.
Yeah.
Hey, I saw somebody had posted something about they found a sink cover on Amazon that you can use actually in the bathrooms. So if you wanted to get one of those sink covers, you could cover that up and give you more counter space. Just saying. So there's always a solution. Okay, this is amazing. Not many times do you get a designated linen closet, but now this one completely knocks it out of the park. It is just great. There's your porcelain foot flush toilet. So yes, ma'am, this is going to get the golden plunger.
Yes.
Now, by now, you guys know we are affiliates with Liquefied, so if you need tank treatments, toilet bowl cleaners, roof cleaners, wash and wax, they have a whole line of products, and we can get you guys 20% off. So look down in our comments below. You're going to see some links to all of this. Check it out.
Yes.
But wait.
Okay.
For $19.95,
Oh,
you also
my
get...
gosh. Are you kidding me?
Yes. Designated washer dryer. You can put a stackable in here. You can do a combo unit. Got a shelf. Hey, if you really wanted to, you could add another hanging bar.
Hanging bars, yes.
So, okay, this is probably one of the best bathrooms I have seen.
Yeah.
For real.
And we've looked at a bunch of them.
We've looked at a bunch of them. And it give you some more hooks up here. You do have the nice big exhaust fan in here. So, alright, we want comments on this one. This one, we definitely need to know what you guys think, especially with this huge rear bathroom and then the surprise bunks at the front. So what do you think about that? Is that a great idea, or do you think they wasted space up there?
I don't know. I think it's a good use in space myself.
I love it. I really, really do.
All right, everybody. If you like this Keystone Sprinter, the dealership's information be down in our description. Like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. That's right, check out the Liquefied. Thanks, everybody.